Hi everyone, it's Mrs Whitehead here with another numeracy session. So, you might want to answer the questions verbally, or you might want to get a pencil and a pen and then keep pausing the video and writing them down. So I hope that you're ready. Let's go! Question 1. What fraction is shaded? What fraction is shaded? So take a look at the shape. How many parts has it been divided into? How many have been shaded? And there could be two answers for this. There could be two answers. So you might have a half or you might have 2/4. Because if we look, it's been divided into 4 equal parts and 2 have been coloured. But if we also look, there's 4 parts, 2 have been coloured and 2 is half of 4. So you could have had a half or 2/4. Counting. Let's count in multiples of 5 to 100. Remember, multiples of 5 end in a 5 or a 0. Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Can you write the next 5 multiples of 5, but this time start at 85? So it's really good when you're counting in multiples to start at different numbers. So can you start at 85 and keep counting in 5s? If you can get more than the next 5, then just keep going. So you should have 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110. I'll learn it. So we're doing times 5. So we've got 2 times 5 or 2 lots of 5, 11 times 5, 11 lots of 5, and 5 times 5, 5 lots of 5. So remember, if you know these, that's brilliant. If not, you can just use your fingers. You can put 2 fingers up, 5, and keep counting, 10 fingers up, and then count 1 more for 11, and 5 fingers. So you should have 2 times 5 is 10, 11 times 5 is 55, 5 times 5 is 25. And for this one, 11 times 5, you could have gone 10 times 5, 50, and then added on 1 more 5, 55. Next question. So Ben has 13 crayons. He's got 10 in that packet and then 1, 2, 3 more. Here are Abdul's crayons. How many crayons does Abdul have? So he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of 10. And then he's got 1, 2, 3, 4 on their own. So how many crayons does Abdul have? Let's take a look. So Abdul had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of 10 crayons, which is 50. And then he had 4 single crayons. So 50 add 4 is 54 crayons. Here's another question. Here are some boxes. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. Now if I put 5 pencils in each box, how many pencils did I use all together? So I've got 7 boxes and I want to put 5 pencils in each box. So how many pencils did I use all together? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lots of 5. and then we've got 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, because multiplication is just repeated addition. So 7 lots of 5 is 35. Our time, are we ready to count in our minutes? So we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And we've been working on 15 minutes. We've been working on the minute hand going a quarter of the way round our clock. So let's look at the time. So here's a time. Can you write down using digits what the time is? So you need to look at the hour hand, which is the short hand, and then you need to look at the minute hand, which is the longer hand, and write down the time. So you should have 1:15 or 1:15. How much money? So I've got a 50 pence, 2 20 pences, 3 2 pences and 3 1 pences. So remember how we've been doing it? We've been adding up each set of coins and then adding them all together. And we've started with our largest coin. So we've got 150. We've got 2 20s, which is 40. We've got 3 2s, which is 6. And then we've got 3 1s, which is 3. So we've got 50, add 40. And we know that 5 10s, add 4 10s is 9 10s. So that's 90. We've then got 3 2s, which is 6. So that's 90 plus 6 is 96. Add on 3, 99 pence. Can you remember what fraction this is? It's a circle and it's divided into 3 equal parts and one of them has been shaded. So we've got 1/3. So how can I find fractions of numbers? So today I want to find 1/3 of 6. So can you remember what to do? Here's my 6. Here's my picture. So I made a sharing circle and I shared it into 3 equal parts. Then I've got to share my 6 dots out, and to find 1/3 I need to just look in one of those parts. So you should have something that looks like this. So I've shared out my 6 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I just want to know what is in 1/3 of them. So I just need to look in one. So I've got 2 dots, so 1/3 of 6 equals 2. So you should be getting really good at this now. How many are in 2 parts? And that would be 2/3. Brilliant! That's another numeracy session over. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're all keeping safe and well and enjoying the lovely sunshine. Hope to see you soon. Bye.